Morning. Saturday, the 27th of December, and it's been snowing most of the night. Heavy wet snow, 30 degrees Fahrenheit. She's clinging to the trees and hanging on everything. Well, Eddie, in case you got no snow where you are, this is for Eddie, Scott's Wild Camper. Little taste of snow, Eddie. Be on them snowshoes tomorrow. Granddaughter's coming over today for a little Christmas, otherwise I'd be out in this. There's the golf course up on the ridge there. Trusty kayak. Gotta wait for that. Yeah. Time to get the blower out. Let's see, I pushed away from the garage. She's still coming down hard. It's a winter wonderland. It's a heck of a workout. It's I've been out earlier this morning, 5:30. Plow come by at 5, and I cleaned up the snow then, but it's been coming down ever since. I hear a chickadee. My buddy's out here. I hate to start that snow blower, but this stuff's too heavy and wet. I got a car going by. Yeah, the road's terrible. And a big Boss V plow. Well, there's no way around winter. You'll hold you through it. Thought I'd give you a bit of snow, Eddie, in case you don't have any. You'd be loving this. This is good. We got a heck of a cold front coming in behind us here, though, and we're going to be down well below zero. More my kind of weather. I don't like this warm. It's not good. Anyway, I better start getting at it. Use the snowblower to save the back. So, hope you had a nice Christmas, everyone, and I wish you a very happy and healthy New Year. Stay safe out there, and keep getting out, putting up those wonderful videos. Take care.